Are you searching for the best mountain bike forks? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best mountain bike forks in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. This is best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time, but air suspension. Experience smooth rides with the BOLANY mountain bike air suspension, offering 100mm travel for a cushioned ride over rough terrain. Remote lockout. Enjoy quick adjustments with the 120mm air and oil remote bicycle fork, featuring a remote lockout for enhanced control. Quick release. Effortless wheel changes with the 29 quick release MTB bicycle accessories, ensuring swift setup and removal. Durable construction. Ride with confidence on rugged trails with the forged alloy crown and aluminum 32mm stanchions, built to withstand the demands of MTB. Versatile size options. Choose the perfect fit for your bike with the BOLANY fork, available in 26, 27.5, and 29-inch sizes, catering to diverse riding styles. Thanks for watching till the end. This was a short review video where I tried to give you the key highlights of the product in the shortest time possible, so your time doesn't go to waste. I always aim to keep things simple, clear, and helpful. If you're interested in learning more about the product or checking the latest price, you'll find all the links in the description below. You can also order directly from there if you want. I really appreciate your time, and if you found this video useful, feel free to like, share, or even subscribe for more short and helpful product reviews. See you in the next one.